Introducing our square nose rubber stair tread, the ultimate solution for safety and durability on your stairs. Crafted with precision and designed for reliability, our stair tread seamlessly combines safety features with sleek aesthetics to enhance the overall look and feel of your staircase. Our square nose rubber stair tread is engineered with slip resistance, providing increased safety and stability with every step. Its innovative design helps mask substrate irregularities, ensuring a smooth and uniform appearance on your stairs. With GSA contract availability and floor score certification, our stair tread meets the highest standards for quality and environmental responsibility. Plus, it comes with a 1-year commercial limited warranty for added peace of mind. Compliant to IBC and NYC codes for emergency egress markings, our stair tread ensures safety in any building environment. Additionally, it passes smoke generation tests, making it ideal for use in various settings. Enhance the safety and appearance of your stairs with our square nose rubber stair tread.